Good evening all. Welcome to HDFC Securities live webinar on our newly launched web trading platform called ProTerminal. This is a new, advanced and much informed web trading platform for all our customers. This platform offers various features such as customizable watchlist, which gives a customer an option to create watchlist for stocks, futures and options with more than 100 columns which can be customized as per your need. From the watchlist, you can straight away check out the advanced charting tool as well, which is one of the best available advanced charting tool in the world. Apart from this platform also collates news across all the e-platforms available in India or outside, thereby bringing and collating all the news about a stocks at one single place. It also has a feature where it is collating recommendations from various broking houses or analysts and showing at a single platform. Apart from this, active customers which are traders who want to trade in FNO can check out the 15-minute build-up, can check out put-call ratios, option chains, build their own strategies and get benefited and take an informed decision. Today we are going to show you all these features one by one. So I am beginning a demo on this. First of all, we need to visit the website of HDFC Securities, which is www.hdfcsec.com. I have already opened the website. On the top right corner, there is an option called Login. I have clicked on it. From the first option, Trading and Invest Online, customers need to click on Login. I would use my login. This is the empowered login which all of our customers would already be used to of. This is a platform which you guys are already using it for your day-to-day trading and investment through the web portal. On this, if you see the menu, there is a new menu introduced called ProTerminal. Once you click on it, since I have already subscribed to this, I would be straight away landing on the new platform, which is the ProTerminal. At the end of this session, we will also speak about how to subscribe it for the customers who have not yet subscribed. Now we are going to start the demo of the new trading platform, which is ProTerminal. As you can see, the new watch list, I have 8 stocks in my watch list, which is being there. In case you want to customize this watch list, you just need to click on the icon on the top right corner which says Edit. Now the screen is showing the columns which I can select, I can add or I can subtract. It is fully customizable. You can see the options on the left which shows equities, futures and options. And as a customer, whatever you would like to add or delete your columns, you can do that. To make it easier, I'll present a video right now.
Neil, a trader, keeps track of markets regularly to find new stock opportunities. But even after spending hours browsing through trading platform, Neil could not spot profit-making ideas in time. Neil is fed up of using outdated trading platform offering limited access to reliable market data. Now Neil is looking for a trading platform which can offer him a better way to keep a watch on stocks. Are you also facing the same problem? Don't worry. Our next generation intuitive trading platform offers feature-rich watchlist. Let us see how user can explore watchlist. It screens stocks on a wide range of parameters. Our highly customized watchlist allows user to select the parameters based on his criteria. User can create his own watchlist of stocks based on preferred set of parameters and keep track of it. It also offers preset watchlist for hassle-free monitoring of stocks. User can have quick glance at most active stocks, volume shockers, price gainers and losers in watchlist. It offers tick-by-tick stock prices, order book details, returns, news sentiments, technical signals and corporate events. NSE Futures Watchlist shows contract details, price, volumes, open interest, implied volatility, long and short built-up, technical signals etc. along with option to filter contracts based on selected criteria. Similarly, Options Watchlist offers contract details, price, volumes, open interest, IV, delta, theta, vega, gamma etc. along with option to filter contracts based on selected criteria. User can view chart in a single click from watchlist screen and analyze stock on technical indicators. Most importantly, user can place buy or sell orders directly from watchlist to quickly grab any trading opportunity. Thank you.
As you saw in the video that there are more than 100 parameters which you can select and you can tailor-made your watch list. Depending upon your requirement, there are few customers who would be willing to see 52 weeks high-low on the screen itself. There would be few customers who would like to see build-up, short build-up, long build-up. So that can be also incorporated in the watch list. So as per your requirement, you can create your watch list. There are 100 parameters you can select and you can trade and you can invest and you can gain from the same. One more beauty of this platform, you can directly view the charts. If you see in the watchlist section, there is an option of chart. If you click on the chart icon, you will get the historical chart. This is a live streaming chart which provides you data for last 1 minute to 1 month duration. So you can make the chart as per your requirement and you can do the analysis. To discuss it further, we will just show you the video first and then we can discuss further.
Neil, a trader, don't want to spend hours on screener for finding out technically weak and strong stocks. Neil realized advanced charting tools will help him to spot opportunities in the market. So Neil is looking for a new trading platform, which will not only alert him about stocks turning weak or strong on key indicators, but also help him in advanced technical analysis. Are you also looking for such advanced technical analysis and charting tools? Don't worry, our next generation trading platform will help you to grab opportunities. Let us explore our technical analysis and charting tools. User can find weak and strong stocks by looking at long-term signals and technical alerts in watchlist screen. User has option to move directly to chart screen from watchlist. Chart screen provides intelligent tools and indicators to perform advanced technical analysis. Let us explore these charting tools and indicators one by one. User can view charts on various time frames. User can use intelligent drawing tools in our platform. Segment, line, rectangle, ellipse, measure, call out can help user to understand chart, highlight portion and note comments. Moreover, Fibonacci retracement, Gartley, fork, and other studies can be easily drawn with a mouse click. Add series allows user to view volume and delivery series along price chart. User can view 4 type of charts: line, area, candlestick, and OHLC. In studies, user can analyze stocks on key technical indicators. User can draw simple moving averages, Bollinger Bands, moving average envelope, moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, relative strength index, or RSI, Bollinger %P, stochastics, momentum indicator, high-low bands, average directional index or ADX, and volume underlay. User can save list of indicators that he has used in the study as template. Once template is saved, user can apply same study to any stock so he need not waste time in selecting indicators again. User can quickly expand and contract chart by both mouse click and scroll wheel. This screen also provides option to share charts. Most importantly, user can place buy or sell orders directly from chart screen so he can grab trading opportunity without any delay. So don't wait, try our advanced technical analysis and charting tools now. Thank you.
As we mentioned that it will give you a chart from 1 minute duration to 1 month duration. Many of you would be using various technical tools available in the market. But the beauty of ProTerminal that your trading platform offers you the chart facility as well. So you can directly place buy and sell order from the chart itself. So it will save you a fraction of second and you can take the benefit of the market movement immediately. Otherwise, you will scroll over the various sites and then you will place an order. So you can miss an opportunity at that point of time. But by using ProTerminal, it ensures that you don't lose any market opportunity and you are benefited at same point of time.
So going back to the watch list, we would also like to show that there are predefined watch lists also made available, such as NSE equity, NSE futures, NSE options, so that you don't need to even create those watch lists and track them ASAP. So till now we have spoken about two key features, that is a customized and advanced watch list along with advanced charting tool. Now we are going to move on. The most informed decision if you are taking as an investor is when you are investing in a stock, you would like to know all the details, whether it be financials, whether it's about its returns, any ratios. We are going to show one by one what all details are available in the same platform. Let's say we are searching for Reliance Capital. I can check out the overview, FNO details, financials, news, peer comparison. I can build out strategies and option chain. Let me take it one by one. The overview screen shows the charts which we have seen earlier as well. The volume analysis which shows the today's, yesterday's, the 5-day average and the 22 average volume. You can see the moving averages, your 20-day, 50-day, 100-day, 200 DMA. Everything is available at the right same time. If I scroll down, I can say the valuation widget which talks about your TTM, EPS, PYB, EV sales, everything is available. I can check out the year-on-year growth widget. I can check out the quality widget which talks about your return on assets or return on equity. If I further scroll down, I can see the returns widget which shows your 1 month, 3 months, 6 months YTD returns. I get to read about the company and I can also see the shareholding pattern.
Generally, we sort this detail by visiting various financial market sites like Money Control and we get this data. And then you will go to the trading platform to place an order after analyzing the data available over there, or you will visit the NSE or BSE website. Whereas ProTerminal brings all the details on the same platform. You can verify the details, you can analyze the detail and directly you can place a buy or sell order from the same window. So it will save your time and you can time the market and you can invest and you can gain from it.
Let us see what is available in the financials tab. I can check out the results. I can check out the balance sheet, cash flows, profit and loss as well as ratios. Let me move to balance sheet. It is showing the consolidated and standalone balance sheet. Let me move to cash flows. It is showing you the latest cash flow comparison, your PBT adjustments, all the details which you would like to read about the company, you can see in this. Moving to the profit and loss. I can see the net sales, total expenditure, other income, operating profit, interest, PBDT. Your PBT, PAT, everything is available at the same place. Ratios. I can check out the EBITDA margin, pre-tax margin, PAT margin, your cash profit margin, your ROA percentage, ROE percentage, asset turnover, net sales growth percentage. That is what, as an investor, I would like to see before making an informed decision.
So all the data is available in the single screen which you would like to analyze before placing an order or before taking a call on a particular stock. So you can get the details over here itself at a single place. Now you can do the pair comparison as well. So it will compare the stocks on the basis of the quality parameters which are available. So if you click on peers comparison thing, over there you will get the list of the comparison, list of the stock in the same industry. So 3 parameters are available: quality versus value, value versus growth, quality versus growth. On the right hand side, if you see, there is a widget where it has rated the stock on each parameter. Say for example, Reliance Capital has been rated as 8 on quality, 6 on quality, whereas 20 on value. So accordingly, you can take a call and get benefited from the information provided on this platform.
Now, the very key feature of this platform is its ability to collate news across all platforms. Before talking about it, I'll first like to show the video.
Neil, a trader, used to keep a track of financial portals and business dailies to grab opportunities in the markets. But even after spending hours on screening through tens of websites and newspapers, Neil could not figure out useful news in time. As a result, he lost many trading opportunities available in the market. Neil is very upset. He is tired of exploring tens of websites and newspapers for trading in stocks. Are you also struggling with the same problem? Don't worry, our new trading platform offers news analytics and sentiment analysis, which provides real-time market-moving news in a single place, to help you for trading profitably. News analytics separates noise from information gathered from millions of conventional and unconventional sources so that you only receive market-moving news. Let us see how you can explore news analytics and sentiment analysis in new trading platform. Trending News Widget provides news updates from trusted publishers along with positive and negative sentiments. Streaming News Widget provides updates on stocks from trusted Twitter handles, so that you have instant access to vital information. Corporate Announcements Widget provides updates notified by companies to stock exchanges. Let us see how you can spot opportunities. Trending News Widget flashed positive news updates on V-Guard Industries on June 17. V-Guard Board of Directors declared stock split on June 16 evening, which pushed company's shares higher in the next day trade. The stock split was captured by News Analytics and Sentiment Analysis Engine from exchange announcement on the same day, that is June 16, before mainstream media, which carried news update on June 17. By using News Analytics and Sentiment Analysis Engine, one could have bought the stock around 1400 rupees in opening session on June 17 and sold it few minutes later for 1430, netting a profit of 30 rupees per share. In addition, user can check news updates on currency and global markets. There are plenty of such opportunities are available every day, so don't wait, grab opportunities now. Thank you.
As you all are aware that news plays a very vital role while investing in equity market. ProTerminal not only provides you the news, but it also provides you the sentiment of that particular news, whether that news is going to have a positive impact on the stock or it is going to have a negative impact on that particular counter. From this trading platform, you can get all the news pertaining to stock, micro data available over here. as we saw in the video, we got example. A timely news and informed decision taken by a customer can yield into a high profit. If you see on the platform, the news are displayed over here. Simultaneously, the sentiment, whether this news is going to have a positive impact on the counter or a negative impact, is also displayed. If you see, this red circle indicates that it is a negative news for a particular counter, whereas white means a neutral news, whereas green is a positive news. Against each news which is published, the indication, the sentiment analysis is mentioned in front of them. Say for example, Reliance Capital initiate and buyback of NCD. So that is a positive news for the counter. So it can have an impact, positive impact on the stock. So timely news as well as the impact of that news on the stock is very important for a person investing in equity market. ProTerminal helps you to identify those news, what impact they are going to have on that particular stock. From the same page itself, as we mentioned earlier as well, you can place your buy and sell transaction. So it will save your time, and time means money in equity market.
So that is all about the news. It doesn't collate news only from your news sites, but it is also collating news from all the social media platforms as well. And it will also show you the streaming news about the stock at that moment of time. You can also check out your corporate announcements and this widget and the bulk deals in this. So you can all take an informed decision just by going through the news sections for that particular stock. Moving to the next feature, which is recommendations. It does not only show the recommendations what we are showing you, but it is also collating recommendations from all the brokerages and analysts which is publicly available. In this case also, if you see on the left side of the widget page, there is a widget called recommendations. I would just expand it. And you can see that currently there are 22 analysts which are giving the buy consensus on this stock. You can see the analyst names, and in case if you are following any of the analysts whose name is present here, you can straight away see his recommendation as well. Alternatively, you can also check out what are the other brokerage houses which is giving you these recommendations. To give you a better perspective, we will also show you a demo video on this.
For a trader or an investor, it is important to know what the experts are saying about the markets. Experts can provide key insights on where the markets and stocks are heading at a broader level. Their recommendations, technical calls, views, and outlook can help in investment decisions. However, expert views and recommendations are not available at one place. Because of this, traders and investors have to browse through several financial websites. To help such traders and investors, we have launched new recommendations screen. This screen captures expert views and recommendations from thousands of sources, so that traders and investors can get views and recommendations at one place. Recommendations screen tracks domestic and global brokerage houses. This screen also tracks analyst community. Let us explore our recommendations screen. Views. This widget highlights views and opinion of brokerage firms and analysts. User can get their perspective on the markets and stocks. Views widget also provides option to go back to original source for each alert. Recommendations. This widget provides list of latest buy or sell ratings on stocks. User can view stock recommendations issued by brokerage firms and analysts. This widget provides option to go back to original source for recommendations. Streaming news. This widget scans 500 million tweets every day to discover relevant news and data for stocks. This widget provides option to go back to original source for streaming news. Recommendations screen not only saves time of traders and investors, but also helps them in investment decisions. So don't wait, start using our recommendations screen now. Thank you.
Recommendation plays a vital role for all of us before investing, and that too from expert. It's like all of us. So an individual can visit the platform and he or she can view the details of the recommendation provided by the various broking houses as well as analysts. On that basis, you can make your trading call or investment call, and you can benefit it by the same details available on the same platform. The unique feature, all these details are available on single platform. Whereas while if you search this detail on the website or Google, you're supposed to visit various brokerage houses places, their website or Economic Times, Money Control of the world, then only you will be able to find the details. Whereas by using this ProTerminal platform, you will get all the detail in one window. You can directly place your buy and sell order. You can get huge benefit by using this recommendation screen and placing order immediately.
So far, we have discussed about watchlist, advanced charting tool, news and recommendations. Now we are going to talk about what our FNO customers, the customers who are trading in futures and options, can get the details. Let's talk about Reliance Capital only. I am going to the financial FNO tab. So you can see, I could see the market data which shows me the traded volume, your OI, change in OI, your premium / discount, market lot. I can check out the charts, which is your 1 hour, 1 day, 5 days, 1 month. And if you see on the right hand side, I can see what is my current build up. Now since the markets are closed, the customers who are aware that between 9:15 to 3:30 every 15 minutes there is a possibility to check out what is the current 15-minute build up. And this widget you can see is showing you the 15-minute build up. If I just expand this widget, I scroll down, I can see every 15 minutes what was the build up, and basis this I can take a decision before investing. Let me show you a demo video on this.
John, a passionate trader, follows open interest in futures and options to confirm price trend. He used to monitor open interest to identify positive and negative sentiments and thereby predict possible movement in price. But despite following open interest trends closely, he could not spot opportunities in time. As a result, he failed miserably in his trading strategies in futures and options. Are you also struggling with the same problem? Don't worry, our 15 minutes built-up screen will help you to stay ahead of markets. It captures long built-up, short built-up, long unwinding and short covering every 15 minutes to show bullish and bearish trends by analyzing open interest, price and volumes in real time. Let us see how you can profit by using 15 minutes built-up screen. On 3rd June, Bank of India witnessed huge short built-up, indicating bearish sentiments in the stock. Out of the 25 intervals of 15 minutes in a day, Bank of India recorded 16 short built-ups and 5 long built-ups. As a result, stock fell 4.7% on 3rd June. After seeing first 3 zones of short built-ups between 9:15 am to 10 am, a positional trader could have shorted the stock around 86 rupees. Subsequently, Bank of India stock fell continuously except for few intervals witnessing long built-up. By the time of closing, stock fell below 83 rupees. By using 15 minutes built-up screen, one could have made profit by covering short position around 83 rupees, netting a profit of 3 rupees per unit, or 9,000 rupees on one lot of 3,000 units of underlying stock. Similarly, one could also make profit by going long on stocks, which are witnessing strong long built-up. So don't wait, try our next generation trading platform. Thank you.
So this video, if you would have seen, showed an example where if you could have short at 86 rupees in the morning, I could have squared off at 83 rupees and thus by making 3 rupees per quantity. So that could yield a good amount of profit just by keeping a watch on a 15-minute build-up. And you can select the stocks which you want to track. Now let's move on and see what other details are available. If I scroll down, I can see the put call ratio, which you can check out as per OI or IB or price or traded quantity for the day. I can see FNO pulse in this widget, and the above widget shows the OI breakup as well. Now let me move on to the option chain. I can see the option chain against the call and the put with the strike price. And straight away from here itself, I can just click on buy or sell to take a decision of which strike to buy in call or put. Now moving on to the strategies tab. The strategies tab gives you an options to create your strategies basis of the parameters you have decided. Let's say for example, in this strategy, the target date is set as 27th October with a target price of 576, and let me decide what are the priorities which I would like to fix upon. The options available is safety, which means would I like to minimize my potential loss? I can say on or off. The second is probability, that means I can maximize chances of max profitability. The third option is profit, maximize potential profit. And the fourth is return, that means I would like to maximize return. And this is the rank which I have decided, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I don't want to use any of them, I can just simply click on it and that option would be switched off and other three would be in the rank. For this example, let me just switch on all the 4 parameters. I'll go down. There is an option to click here for strategies. Let me see what all options it is recommending me. It has given me 3 strategies: short put butterfly, short put condor and bear put spread. The best part is it is not only showing me what should I do, that is sell Reliance Capital current series with 520 put at a premium of rupees 7, buy Reliance Capital put at 540 at a premium of 11.4 and sell Reliance Capital 560 put at a premium of rupees 18. The most important is it is showing me the risk and reward ratio upfront. If I can show you, the maximum profit is showing as 1622.26 against a maximum loss of 137. So this gives a power to me basis this risk reward ratio or the strategy. If I am convinced, I can straight away go and execute this strategy and get benefited.
So these strategies and build up can help you to take an informed decision while investing in derivatives segment, and you can benefit from the same. In short term, you can make good profit depending upon the strategy selected by you and the risk reward return which is displayed on the terminal.
So these are the key features of this platform. There are other things which once you subscribe, you can go and do it on your own. To make it easy for trading, just by pressing F1 and F2 keys, the buy and sell window opens. And if you see on the bottom of the page, the order book, trade book, net position, open positions are by default always made available at the bottom of the screen. So you can check out your order book, your trade book, your net positions, open positions anytime during the day.
Similarly, if you want to view a portfolio, you can directly go to Empower site which will redirect you to Empower platform, and you can view a portfolio and you can take a call from there as well.
To begin with, we have enabled the demat balance under the accounts tab, and you can click on the accounts, click on the demat balance to check out the demat balance of whatever holdings you are currently there. This is all about the feature of this platform. Now we are going to talk about how to subscribe to this platform before taking the question and answers. You need to go back to the website, which is www.hdfcsec.com. Either you can figure out a banner or an icon or ProTerminal, or you directly go to the products menu. Under products, there is an option called other products, which is the first thing called ProTerminal. Once you click on it, There is an option of online subscription. You have to enter your user ID, password and date of birth. And I agree to the terms and conditions. Click on that and subscribe now. It is also showing you the current offer which says now free for first 3000 users subscribing between 26th and 20th of October. We got an overwhelming response from all of you because we started with offering as was free for 1000 customers and now we have extended it to 3000 customers free of cost. So please go and subscribe right now. The free subscription would be valid till 31st March 2018.
Please hurry because this offer is valid for first 3000 customers only and this is the final extension which we have given. So if you have not subscribed, you can please visit on this page and can subscribe and can take benefit of ProTerminal platform.
This page also explains about the ProTerminal, its features, your FAQs, and it also shows the videos which we have shown you in this webinar. Go, hurry and subscribe for this and get benefited to take informed decisions. Now we would be open to question and answers. Let me just see out what are questions available to take one by one. The question is coming from Satyendra. He is asking, how can I upgrade to this terminal? Just now I have mentioned that you need to visit to hdfcsec.com, go to the products menu, go to the other products and select ProTerminal. Use your trading credentials to log in, and as per the current offer, you can subscribe free till 31st March.
The offer is valid up to 28th of October for first 3000 customers who register themselves between this duration. Post that it would be a chargeable thing, but as per the offer available, you will get benefited.
The next question is coming from Shiv Prasad Leve. How can apply ProTerminal facility in mobile app trading? As of now, we have launched this platform purely for the web trading platform. That means you can access it from desktop and laptop. We are currently working to get an app also for the same. We will keep you informed about the launch date for the app.
Prijesh has asked a question, can I track my portfolio? Yes, you can track your portfolio. We have created a linkage with your Empower website. If you click on Empower, you will be landing back to the normal Empower platform and you can view your portfolio over there. Shortly, we will integrate the portfolio in the same page so you can benefit it from the same.
The next question is coming from Abhishek Panda. He's asking what is the subscription charge? See, to tell you the product price of this is 2499 plus taxes per annum. But currently there is an offer going on. The first 3000 customers subscribing till tomorrow would be eligible for a free subscription till 31st March 2018. The next question is coming from Amrit Mishra. What if you are not qualified in the first 3000 free subscription? If in case you are not qualified for the first 3000 subscription, there would be the price decided, which would be informed. You can come back, subscribe again, and as per the price quoted, you can subscribe to this platform. As I told, the product price for this is 2499 plus taxes, but you need to check out the latest offer available, if any.
There is a question from Arun Kumar. We have to subscribe with trading account, user ID and password. Yes, this service is provided by HDFC Securities Limited. So you have to visit HDFCSec.com. You have to enter your trading credential for subscribing this facility.
In case you have not yet opened an account with us, you can simply visit www.hdfcsec.com and click on Open an Account tab to get an account ASAP.
There is a question from Mr. Rohit. Can it also enable us to set up complex strategies like straddle, iron condor, etc.? See, as we mentioned that there are 4 parameter mentioned over there. If you select the parameter accordingly, the system will generate a strategy for you and they will throw on the screen. Depending upon your risk appetite, you can take a call. So all kind of strategy which are available in the derivative segment, it can provide you that kind of strategies depending upon the data which is available in the system, and what kind of strategy can work in that current market scenario will be displayed on the screen.
The next question is coming from Gautam Patel. The question is, can I do an analysis of any stock at night before placing an order tomorrow? Yes, you can do an analysis 24/7. Like right now also, when we were showing you the live demo, it was post market hours, that is post 3:30, and we were showing you all the details. All the data is available as of 3:30, that is at the closing price, and you can do all kind of analysis basis that, so that you can take an informed decision and execute ASAP tomorrow morning.
See, news would be flowed real time basis. So if the news is coming in the evening, still the news will get updated on the platform. You can view the news, you can do the analysis of the news, and post that you can take a decision whether you want to put a buy or sell transaction on that particular counter. That can be executed on next day morning as per your requirement.
The next question is coming from Shahina. Is there a link where I can see the view the webinar as I've just logged in? Yes, you can. We would made this webinar available to all our customers so that they can come back if you have missed it or you have logged in late. Alternatively, you can visit www.hdfcsec.com and go to the ProTerminal page. There are demo videos available showing all the benefits, all the features of the platform. You can check out the videos as well to get an understanding of what the platform is offering.
There is a question from Prijesh. Can I see HDFC view in the watch list against each stock? See, for the views you have to go in the news section, in recommendation section. Over there the views would be available, but it is not available on the watch list.
The next question is coming from Akshay. Does it log off automatically or remains logged in till logged out by us? Yes. Till you do a manual logout, the system is not going to log out. It is going to be logged in till you do a manual logout.
There is a question from Arun Kumar. Do we can add any number of stock in the watch list, or any limit is there? You can add 30 stock in a watch list, but you can create 5 separate watch lists as per your requirements. One can be for investment ideas, one can be for your trading ideas, third one can be for your future and option positions. So you can create 5 separate watch lists. Each watch list can contain 30 stocks.
The next question is coming from Abhishek Parida. How can I opt after the free period? After the free period, if you have subscribed currently and you are part of first 3,000 customers, your subscription is valid till 31st March 2018. That means after that you need to come back and subscribe again at the price that would be mentioned on those dates. There's a big thank you from Jayant. We appreciate. It's our pleasure. Those customers, it's just an information, those customers who have subscribed to this for a free registration, in case they qualify for first 3,000 users, your subscription would be activated within 24 working hours. I repeat, within 24 working hours. So just be patient. We will be sending you communication on your registered email ID and mobile number once we have activated the privilege for this platform. The next question is coming from Achal Bindraban. Will my relationship manager at HDFC Sec be able to explain the features of this platform? Yes, we are very sure that your relationship manager is going to talk about all the features which we have spoken today in the webinar and could help you to give a demo. The question is coming from Mahendra Bist. If you have already, the question is, I have subscribed, do I have to do anything else? No. In case you have already subscribed, you don't need to do anything else. We would be enabling your privilege on this platform and keeping you informed with an email and an SMS, so that then you can check out what are the features and can start trading ASAP.
There is a question for Akshay. Does it show real-time price or last traded price with lag time? It shows a real-time price. so you can get updated as and when the price is updated.
So these are all the questions which we could take it today. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you everyone and happy investing.